Chori narrative, Rahul Gandhi's H-bomb fakery that seems to be getting exposed layer by layer. Now, the Congress leader, who made series of dramatic allegations a day before the first phase of elections in Bihar, where he claimed that the H-bomb was the Haryana mandate that was stolen from the Congress in 2024 assembly elections. Now, Rahul Gandhi unveiled a Brazilian model claiming that her picture was used in multiple voter ID cards to commit a fraud. He further added that this Brazilian model featured in the voter list under different names but with the same picture. Now, this Brazilian model shown in Rahul Gandhi's presentation has spoken up. She has been identified as Larissa, who used to be a model and is now a hairdresser and an influencer. Reacting to her photo being used in Rahul Gandhi's presentation, she says that she was shocked by the madness in the claims that are being made of misusing her old photograph. Watch how and what Rahul Gandhi has said and how she has countered the claim made by the Congress leader.
Who is this lady? How old is she? Which state does she come from? She votes 22 times in Haryana. And she votes in 10 different booths in Haryana.
Diz que esse é o assunto mais falado na Índia hoje. O meu rosto está saindo em todos os jornais, revista, banca, tudo quanto é lugar. Porque acho que usaram 22 vezes em identidades falsas a minha foto na Índia.
She's got multiple names. Seema, Sweetie, Saraswati.
Minha foto é velha, tá? Eu tava novinha na foto, devia ter uns 20 anos, 18 anos. Falei pra Tatá não passar meu número e tal, o cara achou meu Instagram, me chamou no Instagram. Agora uma outra pessoa que não tem nada a ver com o assunto, uma amiga minha de outra cidade.
She's from Brazil. She's a Brazilian model.
Diz que eu sou a modelo misteriosa brasileira. Nem modelo eu sou e agora além de modelo eu sou misteriosa. Gostei. Eu achei que era mexicana. Mexicana? Eu também achei que era meio mexicana.
Now, in the meantime, Times Now also spoke to a journalist from Brazil who tracked Larissa and spoke to her. In an exclusive conversation with our group editor-in-chief, Nabika Kumar, the Brazilian journalist revealed that Larissa is in touch with her and her lawyers as well, is now contemplating legal action over the misuse of her picture.
Joining me this evening is Luis Fernando Nascimento Menezes, journalist from Brazil who has spoken to Larissa. And thank you very much, Luis Fernando, for joining me. First and foremost, I want to ask you the question. You've spoken to Larissa. People in India believe her to be the Brazilian model who has been referred to by the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. Can you tell us who she is, what she does, and how did you manage to track her down?
Oh, okay. So Larissa is a hairdresser. She works in a beauty salon in Belo Horizonte. It's the capital of Minas Gerais. Her photo appeared in the Congress Party live, and it's easier for us to know, to search for a Brazilian, because we know Portuguese and we can see the message of her photo. Yesterday, I did some reverse image search and I tracked her by analyzing the author of the photo Facebook.
Is she contemplating any legal action? Is she in contact with her lawyers about how the apparent misuse of her picture can be addressed?
Yeah, she said to me she was calling her lawyers to see what legal actions she can be doing, but she never said any name or any entity specifically. She just said that she was trying to delete the photo of all the internet and to see if the misuse of her image is
stopped. She's never left Brazil, as you say, but she appears to be somebody of great interest in India. Well, thank you very much for giving us the details of Larissa, person of interest, politically at least, in India. Thank you very much, Mr. Fernando.
Now, when we speak of fact check, exactly what Rahul Gandhi has been saying and what are the facts on the table, let's put them across one by one. Now, one of the alleged fake voter ID cards shown with the picture of this Brazilian model, Larissa, was in the name of Gunia from Murthal. So Times Now went there to actually track and trace Gunia, and we were shocked to find that Gunia had passed away 4 years ago. Her family told us that they didn't check the picture on the voter slip, neither did they contact anyone to delete her name from the voter list either.
कब डेथ हुई आपकी वाइफ की? कितना टाइम हो गया?
4 साल।
4 साल हो गए थे। लेकिन
होंगे नहीं।
हाँ, होंगे 4 साल। तो लेकिन वोट की पर्ची आई थी घर पे?
आई थी।
तो फोटो देखी थी आपने? क्योंकि क्या आपको लग रहा है कि उनके नाम से कोई गलत वोट पड़ा होगा, या क्योंकि आपके परिवार से तो आप, क्योंकि उनकी डेथ हो गई?
परिवार में किसी ने घेरी नहीं, और किसी ने बाहर.
Here's another fact check, and it is not just Larissa or Gunya's story. Rahul Gandhi also claimed that there was a certain vote chori in the name of Pinky Kaushik in Sonipat. So our team naturally tracked Pinky and her husband down as well. And the fact check is that they say that there was a photo error years ago, which was later corrected. They insist that there was no vote chori in their name.
हमारे को पता ही नहीं था ये ब्राजील मॉडल है या कौन है जी। हमारे को जैसे इसका वोटर आईडी मिली थी ना 6-7 साल पहले, 6 साल के करीब।
वाइफ का नाम भी बता दीजिए।
पिंकी है मेरी वाइफ का नाम। एड्रेस बिल्कुल हमारा मैच कर रहा था, लेकिन फोटो किसी और की, तो हमने ना उसको तुरंत वापस कर दिया था।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
और उसको एक आईडी भी दी थी हमने अपनी, आधार कार्ड और फोटो, पासपोर्ट साइज जी, ठीक होने के लिए। वो बोल रहे थे ठीक होके वो आ जाएगा तुम्हारे पास, लेकिन वो अभी तक आया ही नहीं।
अच्छा, हम
वोट है ना उसी दिन से वोट हम आधार कार्ड से डाल रहे हैं, या सरकार की तरफ से जो स्लिप आ रही है ना उससे वोट डाल रहे हैं।
स्लिप आती है उसी से हमने वोट डाला था, और हमारे कोई भी चीज नहीं था हमारे पास वोट डालने के लिए, तो उन्होंने बोला आधार कार्ड से डाल सकते हो आप, तो हमने आधार कार्ड से ही वोट डाली थी। सर झूठ है सब, हम खुद डाल के आए थे अपने आप।
Now let's talk about the third fact check. We also went across to Akbarpur. Bimla was one of those 22 voters who, as per Rahul Gandhi, had the picture of the Brazilian model Larissa. We found who actually is the true Bimla. She is a 50-year-old woman, and she showed us her original voter ID card. It had her real picture, not the picture of Larissa, who is a Brazilian model, showcased by Rahul Gandhi on the big screen.
So this is the voter card. इसमें तो आप ही की फोटो है। कितना पुराना वोटर कार्ड है ये? कितने टाइम पहले बना था ये?
जी मैं अनपढ़ हूँ, मेरे को।
अच्छा, ये मतलब पहले का है, पुराना है वोटर कार्ड?
हाँ, पुराना मेरा
पुराना वोटर कार्ड है। अच्छा, एक चीज आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आप ही ने खुद अपना वोट दिया था?
हाँ जी, मैंने दिया था वोट।
किसी और ने नहीं दिया?
नहीं जी।
तो राहुल गांधी ने ये कहा कि वोट चोरी हुई है, किसी और ने वोट दिया है, फर्जी वोट पड़ा, ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
नहीं जी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ।
हाँ,
मैंने आप दिया वोट।
हाँ।
Now, the BLF of Akbarpur, Baroda area in Haryana, Sonipat, also did a ground check to verify Rahul Gandhi's H-bomb claims. Out of the 22 voter IDs with Larissa's pictures, 5 of these people live in Akbarpur, Baroda area. The BLO also spoke to Times Now, says that he's verified 4 out of these 5 voters and found them all to be genuine voters. However, he admitted that their pictures don't match and attributed it to technical glitch.
हरीश जी, कितने नाम हैं जिनको आप चेक कर रहे हैं जो राहुल गांधी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में थे?
मेरे बूथ नंबर 138 है, इसमें 5 हैं। 5 में से मैंने 4 को तो वेरीफाई कर दिया।
4 जो वेरीफाई करे हैं वो वेरीफाई हो गए हैं?
हाँ, वेरीफाई हो गए हैं।
वो वहीं के वोटर हैं, जेन्युइन वोटर हैं?
जेन्युइन वोटर हैं।
और फोटोज भी आपने वो उसमें देखी होंगी, वोटर आईडी पे उन्हीं की है या किसी और की है?
नहीं, फोटो दूसरे की है ये।
टेक्निकल अगर गलती है तो है, लेकिन वोटर जेन्युइन है?
हाँ, टेक्निकल गलती हो सकती है कुछ, लेकिन वोटर जेन्युइन है।
Well, technical fault possible, but it is not a genuine error. Let's talk about another fact check. Rahul Gandhi also showed this video allegedly of Arun from Malikpur, where he says that his name and that of his family members were deleted surreptitiously and from the voter list. But when he tracked them down, he says that he voted. And there was no vote chori. He adds that his family members complained and their names will be added to the voter list soon. And this is a correction that will also very soon happen, according to the poll body.
मैं गांव मलिकपुर का रहने वाला हूं, और क्या नाम है, मेरा राई हल्का लगता है, जिसमें से हमारे भाइयों की वोट काट ली गई है, जिनका नाम है अनुज, राहुल और उनकी पत्नी है साक्षी और सोनिया, जिनकी वोट विधानसभा में काट दी गई थी।
मैंने तो दे दी थी, बट मेरे भाइयों की नहीं दी गई थी क्योंकि उनकी वोट कटी थी। और वे किस कारण कटी थी, बस यही वीडियो बनवाई गई थी कि उन्होंने बोला था कि आपकी वोट नेक्स्ट टाइम बन जाएगी, और कोई मैटर नहीं था इसमें। किसी ने चोरी की वोरी की, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है।
राहुल गांधी जी जो वहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि फर्जी,
हमने उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है, वो तो कुछ भी बना के बता दे। हमने हमारे से पूरी क्लियर बात करो ना इस बारे में।
Now for the next fact check, we reached a Krishna colony in Hodal area. Rahul Gandhi here alleged that hundreds of voters were registered in one single address. But when we reached the spot, we found that it was a huge plot of land, which over the decades have been divided into smaller plots. Now the residents confirmed that they are real and not fictitious voters.
नहीं, ये हम वासिंदा ही होडल के हैं, तो यहाँ हमारा खेत था। इन खेतों में सन 1985 में मकान बनाया था। धीरे धीरे विकास होता रहा, विकास होने वोटें बनी, 90 में बनी, तो पहले ही 265 नंबर मकान पहले अंकित था 1990 में। उसके बाद विकसित होते रहे, मकान बनते रहे, उनकी सबकी वोटें बनती रही मकान नंबर 265 पर।
इतने सारे वोटर एक ही मकान में आपको लगता
एक मकान में नहीं है, बीएलओ ने या नगर परिषद ने इस 265 पर ही सबकी वोटें बना दी गई हैं। तो लेकिन वोट फर्जी नहीं है, वोट सब जेन्युइन है।
Now another fact check which comes in from Rahul Gandhi's own general in Haryana. While Rahul Gandhi claimed that nearly 66 voters were registered at an address of Palwal BJP leader Umesh Kundrana, but now former Congress Haryana chief Uday Bhan has says that not 66, only 22 votes were registered at this address. Here is a Congress leader countering this very suggestion or this presentation that was made by Rahul Gandhi.
बीजेपी लीडर उमेश, इनका एड्रेस हाउस नंबर 150, इनके घर में 66 लोग रहते हैं। चेक किया, झूठ।
इसमें मैं आपके ये बताता हूं, इसमें जो 23 वोट इसमें जो है ना वो इसमें अलग है। 23 वोट, 23 वोट्स,
23 नॉट 66।
ये 66 का जो है ये 66 नहीं है, इसमें कम से कम 23 वोट्स इसमें है जो
तो एक इंसान में मायने रखता है। आपके नेता बोल रहे हैं 66, आप बोल रहे हैं 23। सर वो डेटा आप लोग के पास से ही क्या या इलेक्शन कमीशन की वेबसाइट लिया?
हमने भी दिया, उनसे भी उनकी टीम अलग से काम कर रही है, हमसे भी पूछा तो कुछ हमने भी दिए।
So all of these fact checks in a way suggest that there could be technical glitches or errors, but in a way manipulation of voter fraud or vote chori not seems to be the very assertion that is now being claimed by Rahul Gandhi himself. And just a day before, when it comes to the elections in the first phase that was to happen in Bihar.